let's walk over here. Sino nga ba ang ating mga contestants for today? We have Team Yellow and Team Blue. Unahin muna natin yung Team Yellow, Alexis.
Okay, simulan naman na natin. Pakilala naman po kayo sa ating Candon City Crowd.
Hi po, ako po si Vince Lorenzo. Hi.
There you have it, si Vince, of course. And we have...
Hello po, ako po si Don Katindi.
Okay, next. Ay, fresh na fresh. Parang di ano. Okay.
Hello po, ako po si Nadine.
Nadine, tama.
Menard po, Menard.
And last but not the least, ang aking ko-Bobby.
Hello po, I'm Justine Nazareno po.
And there you have it, Sinj. Anong buga mo pasabog ang aking mga libero dito sa Team Yellow?
Green na green yan, mga puso ng mga libero mo. No? Tatlong nasa lista yung magkakatabi. But here in the blue side, we have, of course, very well-esteemed liberos. Hindi pa lang sila pumupuntos, pero parang malapit na. Gusto na pumuntos ni Kat kanina pa. Gigil na siya. Pero kilalanin muna natin sila. Pakilala muna kayo at mag-hi kayo dito sa crowd natin sa Candon.
Magandang gabi po, Candon. Ako po si Philip Pipito po.
Ikaw naman?
What's up, Candon? I'm Catarado.
Ito naman?
Ako po si Eliza. Eroa, hindi Valdez.
And last but not the least,
Hello po, ako si Rico Marmeto po.
yun naman, kompletong-kompleto at handang-handa ang blue team dito. Now, simple lang to, three times kayo pwede mag-serve in 3 different sections, padamihan ng points. And we will start with the yellow team.
Okay, simulan na natin ang ating yellow team at pagkatapos ng ating group picture, linya na po tayo dito!
Serve muna yung 3 balls
Okay.
each tayo muna. Simulan natin. Vince? 3 balls muna, Vince. Oo. First serve sa gitna ni Vince. Dito ka muna, sa right. Oo, pagtatatlo. Okay, serve Vince in 3, 2, 1.
1, go!
0, wala. No go yon. Next point. Dito pa. Dalawa pa. 4. Oo, go. Next na. 10 seconds lang. 3 serves. Out. Next ball. May 2 balls ka pa. Go. Wala pa. Last ball.
Almost, isa pa.
Di lumusot. Last ball. Isa pa. Pwede pa. Oo.
Let's go!
Okay, yun. Sample lang yun ha, para may chance ka. 15
Okay.
points lang nakuha mo doon. Ulitin natin ha. So, pabilisan siya ng serve sa isang area. 3 per 10 seconds, 3 serve. Okay. Okay, go.
Okay, meron na silang strategy.
Ready na sila.
Magpapasahan sila ng bola pagkatapos. Kada
Official
serve
na
ni
to,
Vince.
official na.
Official na to.
Ready ha. In
Palakpakan
3.
nyo naman ang Team Yellow!
Timer starts now. Wala.
Go! 5
5
points!
15 points.
15
20
points.
points na. Outside. Last ball. Last chance. 3 seconds left. 2 seconds. 1 second. Outside. 20 points for yellow team from Vince.
Okay, sino na ang next nating pangbato? Tingnan natin kung pasok, lalo na ngayon. Mainit
Okay.
doon.
Nag-check ng scores dito si Don. Ina-account din. Oo.
Ulit.
Ready na?
15, 20, 5, and 10.
Okay.
Okay.
So, mukhang ready
15,
si Don.
20, 5, and 10.
3 balls for the right side for Don. Ready, Don? Ready na? Serve na.
3,
10 points. 20 points. Oh, next na. Next na. And ready, go. Plus 15 points. Plus 10 points. Plus another 10 points. Last serve. No point. Next na, Don.
Next.
Ang bilis ni Don mag-serve. No
Out.
score. No score. Last ball.
One last.
Okay. Don with 35 points. A total of 55 points.
Nadine, Nadine, relax lang daw. Ay! Grabe, nagpakita.
Oh,
Bawal yan dito.
ready? Your
Okay.
timer starts now. But no point. Short. Last ball. Gitna na.
Okay.
Next.
Pasok.
Short. Second ball. Short ulit. No point. Next. No point. No point.
Pasok.
Okay. Total of 10 points for Menard. Last server.
Nako, grabe. Alam niyo naman, yan ang pinaka-competitive. Tingnan niyo naman, nasa ilalim na. Spider-Woman!
Ready?
Relax lang!
Ready, Justine, in 3.
2, 1, go!
Outside. In.
Outside! Next area. Pasok ba? Pasok!
Short.
Out.
Short. Last.
One last. Pasok! Pasok! Short.
Short.
And there you have it. Ilang puntos?
45 points for Justine. A total of 130 points for the yellow team.
Palakpakan niyo naman ang yellow team! Pwede naman makarinig ng sigaw! Okay. Time for the blue.
Ito na yung mga manok ko, Alexis, ha? Ito, feeling ko kayang-kayang humabol nitong mga to.
Nako.
Tama ba? Tama ba, JP? Kayang-kayang humabol?
Kaya yan.
Kasi very passionate and very filled with heart tong team na to. Okay, ready? Your timer starts now. Serve. Out. Good.
In.
Mukhang mas organized
In.
ang blue team. Team Alexis, no?
In.
Out. Very organized itong blue team.
Out.
Out. In. Good. So, a total of 55 points for JP Pepito.
Grabe, 55 points.
Sorry, 65. I stand corrected. 65.
65, galing kay Pepito.
Nako.
Palaban.
65 points na lang hahabulin nila.
Pagkatapos ni Pepito, si Marmeto. Nako, sino kaya ang mas matinik dito na libero? 3, 2, 1, serve! Cross court agad. Lakas ng trip. Cross
Out ulit.
court agad. Pasok! Pasok!
Out.
Out. In! In!
Out.
Out. And grabe naman yun. Effortless. Palakpakan naman natin si Marmeto.
That's a total of 45 points plus 65. That is a whopping total of 110 points. They're just 20 points away from matching Team Yellow. Matt. Kaya mo yan. Okay. Let's go for our next player. Parang may ano daw? May ano ba?
Okay, syempre.
Screening ba tayo gagawin?
Pinakamatangkad na libero dito.
Yes. The
Pag kayo,
middle blocker.
madaming award yan. Madaming award. Decorated.
Okay.
Unlike
Mabibigat
sa
ang
Eroa.
medal.
3, 2, 1, serve!
In.
Out.
Out.
In! In! Out.
Out. Last 3.
Out.
Out.
In!
In.
In!
Eliza
Grabe.
Eroa.
Pinaso tayo
with
ni Eliza
45
Eroa.
points. With 45 points, no chance na ang Team Yellow. I'm sorry. Ano masasabi mo, Kat? Hindi mo na kailangan mag-serve.
Okay na, para wala nang pagod.
Okay? That's it. Pero Kat, gusto ka daw mapanood kasi ng mga tao mag-serve.
Okay, go!
Sino gusto mapanood? Sino gusto
Palakpakan
mapanood si Kat Ayala
naman.
mag-serve?
Idol yan eh.
For fun na lang to. Out.
In!
Jump serve! Let's
Jump
go,
serve
Kat!
daw!
Jump serve ka!
Jump serve, floating. Dali! Oh! Panis, straight into the net. One more.
One last. Ay, sorry.
And there you go! Congratulations, Team Blue! Woohoo!
And of course, dito tayo, Team Blue and Team Yellow. Boys, girls, dito tayo.
Thank you very much for participating, Team Yellow and Team Blue, our very talented liberos, our floor generals. Please take a group photo all together.
Congratulations to the yellow team and the blue team. Grabe naman. Iba
Grabe,
din.
no? At dyan po nagtatapos ang aming last side event. At syempre, bumalik na tayo sa PVL All-Star!